Good afternoon. Hi. Hi guys, this is May Ilagan of wheninmanila.com, and for this lovely Sunday, I am here at the Venice Grand Canal here in McKinley Hill in Taguig, and I'm spending a relaxing Sunday afternoon, and there are actually a lot of people right now, and yeah, I am with our interns. Say hi! Hi! Live tayo ngayon. Hi! Hi, this is Geraldine. This is Nikki. And then this is Rema and Faye. Tama ba? Faye? Faye. Hello, Faye. Ayun. So, we've been here since 8 o'clock in the morning because we are doing a special shoot for the Venice Grand Canal campaign for summer. And ayun nga, ang saya-saya pala dito. And napakaraming tao. And ayun nga, mamaya-maya yun. Meron ditong gondola ride. Yeah, so I think this is definitely the highlight, of course. If ever you come here, yun nga, people really line up to, ayan, kumakaway si Kuya. People really line up to experience a gondola ride. You see, the original gondola ride can be experienced in Venice, Italy. Ayun. Medyo mas maliit dito yun actually. At tunay na canal talaga siya. And syempre, yun, mga kumakanta, something. And of course, dito, they replicated it. Kaya, authentic ang inyong gondola experience when you visit the Venice Grand Canal. So, yun. Sobrang nice. I just don't know how much. Parang 500 yata per head. Medyo mahal. Pero, guys, diba? It's an experience. And it's your chance to take only selfies. Actually, I've been seeing a lot of people. Ayan sila, oh. Nasa kanan ko, above, and then far left, may mga hawak na selfie sticks. And, kasi nga, napaka sikat na area na to, oh. Si ate pa, isa pa. Ang dami nagpipicture, lahat sila nandito to take photos and to have a great time with their family and loved ones. And there is also a cinema na sobrang ganda pala dito, yung Venice Cineplex. Sobrang ganda nung kanilang parang, ewan ko, parang VIP something, pero yung lazy boy yung chairs, and then pang dalawahan siya. Oo, yeah. Dapat yung... At meron pa tayong mga street performers, mga mimes na nandito. Ayun, ayan sila. Ka-live ako ngayon. Hi! Oh, umaano pa to si Kuya, oh. Yun, oh. So, you can... When you visit here, you can take photos with them for free, di ba?
Yeah, free.
For free.
Ayun na maganda.
Ayun, oh. Kita mo naman si Ate Philippine. Ayun.
Pati ako na mapa.
Ayan. Hi, live ka ngayon. Hello. Ayun. Yes. Mamaya pipicturean natin sila. Ayan. Hi, Kuya. Gaano po kainit ang suot mo ngayon? Hindi siya nagsasalita. Hindi pala siya pwede magsalita. Tama. Hindi pwede. Mamaya tayo mag-ano, yeah. Ang galing naman, nakakatuwa. O, tatawa-tawa pa itong si Kuya ang isa. Ayan. O, diba ang saya? O, diba? So, gusto niyo magkaroon ng mas maraming mga, diba? Mga photo ops and maraming profile pictures. Then this is definitely one of the best places they can visit if you don't plan to go outside of Manila during the weekends. So, ayan. Shoot sila. So, habang shoot muna sila, dito muna tayo. So, actually, ang dami-daming pwedeng gawin dito, and sobrang daming restaurants. na pwede na inyong kainan. As in, you have a lot of choices here at the Venice Grand Canal, from fast food to gelato to Italian food, of course, to healthy food. They also have that. And then, ang dami rin, may mga pizzas din sila. Yun. Kita nyo ba yan? Yay! You see that? Yeah, the guy in blue is so sweet. And then if you see that bridge over there, that is actually a Lovelocks bridge. So if you have a boyfriend, ay tinan mo yung isa. Yan, si selfie si Kuya doon na. Ayun! Selfie pa more, Kuya! Yuhu! Yun, oh. So yeah, as I said a while ago, that bridge that you can see on the left side is actually a Lovelocks bridge. So, ayan. Tapos meron din dito red gondola. Wow! So nice. Ang ganda, diba? Ang galing. And I noticed that most of the riders are, of course, families. Ayan, mga couples. I think because generally all Mega World malls are pet friendly, so I think yeah. Pero mas pet friendly sa Eastwood City. Ayun. Hello, Franco Morales. Hello. Ayan, ang nice, diba? So if you're planning to go on a date, and of course if you want your date to have a memorable moment with you, then of course if you guys cannot afford to go to Venice, Italy muna, then this is the closest that you can get. And on that right side, that is called the Rialto Bridge. Actually sa Venice may ganyan din talaga, yun yung para pinaka main bridge nila, yung Rialto. And then dito, dyan naman yung may cafe dyan sa loob na yan. The name of the cafe is Grand Cafe La Vena. And guys, grabe, favorite ko yung lasagna nila dahil sobrang sarap. Oh, hi Chi! Yap! Hello! You're welcome. Thank you for appreciating. As always, it's really beautiful here. So I think they really tried to replicate what you guys can see in Venice, Italy. Although, of course, iba pa rin yung original sa Venice. Mas malaki doon. Pero doon kasi yung canal talaga, like, para kasi talaga siyang town na floating na parang baha forever, parang gano'n. So, wow, ayan na, nakita nyo na yung mga gondolas. Till what time yung boat ride? Oh, that, I don't know. Tatanong natin, ha? Pero I think it starts mga after lunch. Kasi kanina we wanted to. Pero, guys, mamaya, mag-gondola ride tayo. Sasamahan nyo ako habang nagla-live tayo. Mag-gondola ride tayo. And la-live natin yan later. Hopefully wala naman akong gagawin kasi I'm also helping out with the shoot. Yay! Yeah, this is this place is called the Venice Grand Canal here in McKinley Hill in Taguig. Fort Bonifacio, of course. Kita nyo ba yan? Oh, nice, no? Ang daming pupuntahin. Sobrang daming tao dito ngayon. Actually, it's my first time to spend the Sunday here. And I'm really enjoying it a lot. So, if you want to, usawa na kayo sa mall, usawa na kayo sa the usual Sunday gala. Yes, ay si Kuya, nagpipicture sila. Ang ganda! Malayo ba parking area? I think malapit lang naman. Although kasi I would have to admit na commuter din kasi ako Maynard. So, ayun. Paano pumunta dyan? Nagkakommute ka ba? Basta kung mag-MRT ka, baba kayo sa Ayala MRT. And then yung mga, I think, papasok ng BGC. Ewan ko yung kayo mo. Basta ano, pagdating yung Ayala MRT, mag-taxi na lang kayo, sabihin nyo, Venice Grand Canal. Actually, alam mo, mas mahal syempre pag pupunta ka pa ng Venice, di ba? Ng Italy. So, okay lang naman. Kasi syempre, they endorse. Nag-selfie. Yes. Actually, kaya naman pag-ipunan, of course. Alam nyo ba sa sa Venice, nung sumakay kami doon ng gondola, I think 80 euros. 80 euros would be, kasi parang dollar din yun. So, kung 100 euros, mga 5,000. So, 80 euros would be like mga 3,000 plus, 4,000, ganun. So, ganun siya. So, this is actually the closest you can, experience. Yeah, pwede, hindi siya of course pang araw-araw. Like, hindi naman kayo siguro araw-araw mag-gondola ride. Kung maliban na lang kung napakayaman nyo, diba? Pero, okay lang naman. It depends talaga sa tao, of course. If they can afford it, then fine. If they want to save for it, then fine, diba? It's, okay lang yan. Actually, there is no entrance to come here. It's a shopping mall. Bali, yung gondola ride lang naman talaga yung may bayad. Yes, yung pagsakay. O, diba? I'm not sure how much, but I will try to ask, okay? Ganda, diba? It's something interesting that you can do when in Manila. So nice. And I'm really happy na meron ng 4G dito sa Venice Grand Canal because the last time I came here, I think that was a long time ago. I think last year pa yata. And we hardly have 4G or 3G signal here. But it's good na pwede na mag-live. So, tuloy ang ligaya. Ganda. Super nice. And then nga guys, by the way, if you have an Instagram account, please do follow us at When in Manila on Instagram. And if you want to also follow my own adventures, it's at Mayo Ilagan. That's MAYOILAGAN. Ayun, ganda. If you live near Taguig or if you live in Taguig, then I would like to invite you, of course, to visit this place. Super nice. Nakaiba siya. Unlike dun, syempre nakasanay natin mga malls. Ang galing oh, may airplane pa. Kanina pa yun. Yun. Oh, hi Irene. I miss Taiwan. I love Taiwan. Lamig pa ba dyan? Spring na, diba? I super miss Taiwan. I think I will go back May. 24/7, I think not. Of course, because this is basically a shopping mall. So, I think hanggang 10 lang sila or 11. But I will ask later. Yeah, super love this place also. Diba? At dami rito. Napaka-common dito ang selfie sticks at cameras. Ayun. Kasi maraming mga street performers, may mga mimes. Of course, yun. And you can take photos with them for free. Super daming tao. Hi Wayne. Yes, I am from Quezon City too. Actually, I've been here really early. As early as 8 a.m. Wow, spring is coming. The flowers are blooming. Really 350. Oh, hi! Raymark Maranya Ancheta from San Fernando, LU. Hello. Yan, dami pinagkakaguluhan talaga yung mga mice. Kaya yun, merong... Oh, hi, JC. Hello from Canada. Where is this located? This is located at McKinley Hill in Taguig. Yep. So, parang katabi siya ng BGC. So, the fort pa rin to. Wow. This is called the Venice Grand Canal. Parang may mall din talaga siya. And it's surrounded by a lot of establishments, particularly restaurants. And I think there is also an actual mall. Yeah, kasi may shopping center din siya sa loob. See? Lovely, right? Yes, Aji, sa Taguig to. Ayun, ang ganda. And I'd like to say hi to all the 700 plus people who are watching live right now. Thank you so much. Oh, hi to the one who's watching from Japan. Oh, sino yung sa shoutout ko? Sino ba? Pa-shoutout naman from Dubai. Lifar, Tayru, Owaligdak. Tama? Tama ba? Ayun. Pauline, please refrain from advertising because this is not the right place to do that. Please. Sakura is blooming. Oh, yes. Pupunta po ako dyan sa May. I don't know where. When, pero May daw. Date goals. Yun nga, sayang nga eh. Wala tayong ka-date kasi syempre kapag single ka, pwede naman mag-isa, diba? So mag-isa ka na lang siguro. Hi, Joey B. Lopez from San Pablo, Laguna. Hello. Good afternoon. Happy Sunday. Oh, hi, Zel. Hello. Oh, Pete. Hello from Guam. Hello, Eden from Kuwait. Basahin mo na lang pabaliktad. Grabe. Pagdilaw. Pagdilaw. Ayun. Okay. Konnichiwa. Konnichiwa. Yes, punta kayo dito. Hi, Christian. I bet you miss the Philippines a lot. Saan in Manila para dito sa Italy? Oo. Saan na to sa Taguig? Sa may McKinley Hill. Oh, hi, Jawo! Jawo! Hello! Sir Jawo of Coast Boracay, my most favorite resort in Boracay. Station 2, beachfront. Sir Jawo, see you sa Wednesday. Excited na ako, sir. Sunduin niyo ba kami sa airport? I think yung flight namin 10:30 AM, so mga 11:30 or 12, parang ganun. Sabihan ko po kayo. Oh, hi, Antonio from Korea. Annyeong. Annyeong. Yeah, oo, sa camp ng Sundalo. That's right. And there you go. There is the red gondola. It's about to arrive. Hello. NetDash. Ano ito sa lugar na may anong lugar? Ano exact address para magala galing labas from Germany? This place is called the Venice Grand Canal in McKinley Hill. Ayun. So, Google mo na lang. Google mo na lang. Basta, malapit siya basta sa Taguig siya. Sakay ng boat, I think mga 500 yata. Parang ganun. No? So you get a feel of Venice here, right here at the heart of Manila. Hello, Jaspreet from India. Maganda nga, Taguig. And you know, ang sarap ng food dito. Super sarap ng food. Ayun. Sobrang nice. Ang ganda. Parang gusto ko sakyan yung oh hey, Laymar from Las Vegas. Hello. What's the time there in the USA? Right now, I think it's 3 p.m., 4 p.m., I'm not sure. Yes, malapit sa Korean Embassy, yes. Ayun, pipicture sila. So you see, if you have like relatives who are balikbayans, or if you are an OFW and planning to visit Manila soon for your vacation, please do drop by here at the Venice Grand Canal. Para ito yung experience niyo with your family. I swear, sobrang Instagrammable ng lugar na to. Okay. Paikot natin yung camera. Okay, wait lang. I think, pwede akong magpunta doon sa bridge. Okay. Ayun. So, punta tayo sa may bridge. Ang daming tao ngayon. And hindi kayo magugutuman dito because there are like countless restaurants that you can choose from. Ayan. And I'm really happy na malakas ang 4G. Kaya nakakapag-live tayo ngayon. And I think later, nandito na ako, papunta na ako sa Lovelocks Bridge. So, dito, pag meron kayo forever, so yan, parang same siya with the ones in Paris. Meron din sila dong maraming Lovelocks Bridge. Ayan. So, ito siya. So, let's go. Ayun. Ang dami tao. Ayan. Ito nyo ba? So, yan. Ito yung mga locks. Ito yung mga love locks. See? Tingnan natin yung mga ano. Ryle and Casil. Kmart and Karen. Mga ano pa. May mga dedication. Yes, mas maganda nga daw pag gabi. And here it is. Ganda.
Ay, ang cute.
Kita nyo? Nice. Ganda. Ayan. Tapos yun, may mga kumakain. Alfresco. Alfresco meaning outdoor sa labas. Hindi naman kasi may stabilizer naman ako so okay lang. Hindi naman malalaglag. Wow, sana nga no, sana invite kami na Okada pero I will check if we can have access there if it opens. I'm not sure when. Yeah, this place is called the Venice Grand Canal in McKinley Hill in Taguig City. As you can see, ang dami-daming tao dito ngayon and they're taking photos. They're taking a lot of selfies. May night. Hindi ko alam, hindi ko lang sure. Ayan. Tuwa. Hindi siya 24/7 though. Kasi parang mall din siya. Ayan, kita nyo ba to? Oh, ang ganda. Nice, no? Super nice. So anyway guys, I think I have to go now because I have to continue with the shoot with the mimes, and after this we will we will also experience the gondola ride, and hopefully I can go live by that time so I can show you how it looks like from the point of view when you are when you are actually riding the gondola. Sige po. I'll see you later guys. Thank you so much for watching. I will be back later po. Okay? So again, this is May Ilagan and I'm live here at the Venice Grand Canal here in McKinley Hill, Taguig. I am live of course for wheninmanila.com. Thank you po. Bye-bye. See you later. God bless. Bye-bye. Balik ako for the gondola ride. So stay tuned for more. Bye-bye. See you.